Hello everyone, my name is Melissa and today we are going to study comparatives. The most important thing here is the adjectives. We have two kinds of adjectives, short and long. Short are those made by 2 syllables or 1, and long more than 3 syllables. Our first case is superiority. In this case we need to have 2 or 3 objects. One of those objects is more superior than the others. So the grammar, we always need a subject. In this case we are going to be back to verb to be, the adjective than, and the subject or the object number 2. Okay, so here we need to be careful on this. Short, we are going to add er, and if it's long we just add more before the adjective. Okay, it's mandatory that this word than always be presented in the sentence. Let's check some examples. The turtle is slower than the rabbit. This is a short adjective, so we just add er. Okay, this chair is more comfortable than the others. This is a long adjective, so we just add more before it, and always we need to write than. Our next case is about equality. Again, we need to have 2 or 3 objects or subjects. All of them are equal in this case. Same structure than the previous one, but in this case we are going to write as, the adjective stay normal, and as again. It should have these 2 similar words. Let's see some examples. Samuel is as tall as Gabriela. See, the adjective stays normal and is between us. The last case is inferiority. In this case, one of the objects denotes lower degree. In this case, we need to be careful because the grammar structure changes according to the adjective. So in the first one, we are going to use less if the adjective is long. And again, we are going to use than. But if the adjective is short, we are going to use as. Not as, the adjective stays normal, and again as. Let's see some examples. Jeremiah is not as funny as Miles. As you see, this is a short adjective and is between not as and as. Okay, this hat is less expensive than that one. Expensive is a long adjective, so that's why we use less and then. We have some exceptions. There are some adjectives that are irregulars, so it means that they change their form, like good, bad, little, much, and far. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments or just give me a like. Bye!